Parang yung puso ko nahihiya. CPR, CPR. CPR! Hey yo, what's up guys? Guess what kung sino magwa-warm up ngayon? Guess what kung sino yung magwa-warm up ngayon ng madaling araw? So for today's video, I'm going to make a warm up exercise. Kasi gusto ko rin i-vlog to. Wala, para sa PE at para magka-grade na rin. At ayun, nabutan na ako ng madaling araw. Para lang ma-prepare tong warm up na to. Naka-prepared na ako. 10 PM pa lang. Sabi ko, matatapos ko to. Hanggang sa, girl, alas 2 na. Madaling araw na, hindi ka pa rin nagsisimula. Ready na ako. Kanina pa. Ready na, oh. Ready na yung sapatos ko. ready na yung jogging pants. So this video is just papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga background scenes na nangyari sa nagawa kong video. At ayun. So wag na natin patagalin pa. Simulan na natin to para magka-grade na tayo at matapos ng lahat. So if this is the first time you're watching me, hi, I'm Ems Dizon. Hi. Shake hands. Magwa-warm up tayo ngayon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to click the notification bell to notify every time I post. So yeah, let's start this video. Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Ems Dizon and I am from BSBA major in marketing section 2B, and I will be presenting my warm-up exercise. So what's the importance of having a warm-up exercise? This will prevent your injuries by loosening your joints and improving blood flows to your muscles, making your muscles less likely to rip, tear, or twist in a harmful way during your workout. Stretching also helps prepare your muscles for the physical activities you're about to perform. Now you know the importance of warm-upping exercise. We will now proceed to the video. For this warm-up, we're gonna be doing different exercises. 10 exercises, 30 seconds each. This will be minimum for 5 minutes total. Also, this routine doesn't require any equipment. So without said, let's jump into the video. Our first warm-up exercise is lateral step plus pull. Start with your feet a little wider, then shoulder width apart and bring both hands above your head. Take a big step back with your left leg, crossing it to the right. Bend the front knee and pull your arms back. Returning to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. Face front and keep your back straight. Breathe out as you pull your arms back and keep your toes pointing in the same direction as the knees. Slow rocking butt kickers. Stand up straight with your legs slightly wider than your hips. Bring one heel off the floor toward your glutes. At the same time, match this movement with the opposite side hand coming up towards your shoulder like you're running. Repeat this movement on the other side, again with the opposite arm coming up towards your shoulder. Continue the exercise at your desired speed. Move slowly to strengthen or quickly to boost cardio. For the next exercise is high knee pulls. You need to stand your feet width wide apart. Lift up your left knee to your chest. Switch to lift your right knee to your chest. Continue the movement, alternating legs and moving at a sprinting or running pace. High knees work just about every muscle below your waist, including your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. You also feel the burn in your shoulders and cores. Arm swings plus lateral swing. You need to stand up straight with your knees slightly bent. Stand up straight with your knees slightly bent. Your feet shoulder width apart. And your arms stretch horizontally to the sides. Cross your arms at the front and quickly bring them back as far as you can. Repeat this back and forth movement until the set is complete. This will help you keep your abs in tight and your back straight. Torso twist plus knee. Need to stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart or closer. Make fists and place your arms bent in front of about chin height. Engage your abs. Start running in place. Bring your knees towards your chest as high as possible. Each time you bring the knee up, twist your torso to the corresponding side so your knee comes up directly between your elbows. Simultaneously, crunch your upper body to shorten the distance between the knee and the fist. Jog in place. You need to start standing with feet hip distance apart. Lift one foot, then the other to jog in place, working your legs, increasing your heart rate. Learning how to jog in place is a killer fat burning exercise. Science tells us that regular cardio activity and reducing belly fat can reduce your risk of developing heart disease, osteoporosis, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses, including certain cancers. For our next warm-up exercise is called squats. You have to stand up and feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees, press your hips back, and stop the movement once the hip joint is slightly lower than the knees. Press your heels into the floor to return to the initial position. Repeat until set is complete. Proper form and breathing pattern. This will help you strengthen your core, reduces the risk of injury, crushes calories, strengthens the muscle of your lower body, and also variety helps with motivation. Front kicks is martial arts is a kick executed by lifting the knee straight forward while keeping the foot either hanging freely or pulled to the hip, and then strengthen the leg in front of the practitioner and striking the target area. This will benefit you to a great exercise. Develop the core section, hamstrings, gluteus muscles, and hip flexors. For our next warm-up exercise is called boxer shuffle. To stand with your feet hip distance apart. Bend forward at the hips, knees bent, looking forward, chest lifted, and neutral spine. Hold your hand in loose fists in front of your chest. Move right using small quick shuffle steps for a determined amount of time. Repeat movement to the left side. This will benefit you, decrease stress, also improve body composition. Cross toe touches. Touch the right toe with your left hand. Keep your back as straight as possible. Throughout the whole motion, forcefully and fully exhale during this part of the movement. Now repeat the same movement to the other side. Keep alternating sides until you reach a desired number of repetitions or you no longer can maintain a good form. This will benefit you. Compound body weight standing up exercise helps to build a stronger link between upper and lower body. Congratulations, you finished all the steps, all the warm-up exercise, and you can now rest. That's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Lift up your lift up your lift up developing heart disease, osteoporosis, diabetes, diabetes, calves, quads, and hamstrings. Seriously, you don't. This dog. You hear this dog? The fuck? Shh. Ah! Stress ako. Hirap gawin nito. Rotating those shoulders left to right. You want to try to get a nice torso rotation. Legs leaning over nice and straight. Last line is going to be crossed.
makalimutan ang kanya imahe.
Not from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass pussy in her mouth. Daddy, I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet ass pussy.
Ngayon lang ulit ako period. Tapos na ako. Edit ko na lang yun. May kita nyo dyan na naka-edit na. So, yun lang. Sa mga nakakita pa ng scandal ko kanina, yung mga behind the scenes, sa atin lang yun, okay? Teka lang. Ang puso ko. Parang kala mo bumigat na. Parang nahirapan. Ilang months rin nung hindi ako nakapag-exercise, nung tinigil ko na yung exercise ko. Ngayon lang na ulit. Sakit. Warm up. Alam mo na. Ano pa kaya kung exercise na talaga? Yung ilang buwan ka nakatenga sa bahay, higa, tulog, kain, aral. Tapos bigla ka nagpapawis. Nag-exercise ng ganun. I cannot. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Sana nasabayan niyo ako sa pag-warm up kanina. And yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can notify every time I post. Yes, and also don't forget to follow me my social media accounts. Yan, lahat. Twitter, IG, TikTok. So, yun lang guys. Hindi ko na ito papahabain pa. See you guys on the next one. Bye!